But whatever the stock pinion is that comes in, this is what's going in it.
Oh.
20-tooth pinion. Holy crap.
Wow.
That is a big
That's
pinion. That's
amazing.
something that I'd put in that,
Yeah,
and
right.
that would definitely. I upped this pinion. That's right too. I upped this pinion to like 17 tooth, so that it would flip properly. And yeah, 20 tooth. Wow, that's what they give for that for a high speed gearing. This
Wow.
is just a regular old gearing, and this would be your V6, I guess, because this is the only one they made a V5 of, and then went on to make this.
Which remote are we going to be using?
Which remote? I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna probably go. I got a bunch of Team Corrali remote receivers laying around. I found a bunch of them for cheap, and I bought a whole bunch of them. Come in handy for anything. I like them because they're digital as far as like trim and your what is it? Your dual drive rate or whatever to set the neutral to either forward or backward. I forget what that's called. Or I could go with the Dumbo RC, which is they have not been a bad remote at all since I've bought them. They're cheap. They work great. The Corrali remotes, I've had 2 break on me. So maybe I'll just buy a thing. I'm going to put a Hexfly Red Cat servo into it along with that Max 8. So, and those have XD90 connectors, which I really like, and I don't even have to solder them on. So everything else I had to solder and all that, and that was a pain. Burnt myself a bunch of times. So again, if you like what we're doing, like, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss anything. And like I said, doing mods, always doing things, and check out the vids for the performances on either 4S, 6S, 3S. They're fun to watch. So have a great day, and whatever time it is for you, have a good night, day.